Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited these verses. Translation: It is He who sent down upon you the book, in which some verses have clear meaning. They are the substance of the book, and others are those in the meaning of which there is doubt. Those in whose hearts there is perversity pursue doubtful, one desiring deviation and searching their own viewpoint of it. And its right interpretation is known to Allah alone. And those of firm knowledge say, We believed in it, all it's from our Lord, and none accepts admonition saves men of understanding. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, When you see those who pursue that is not absolutely clear thereof, they are those whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has mentioned, saying in whose hearts there is perversity, so eschew them. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6717.